Hey guys, we are back. Charles Scicli here, Desert Properties, bringing another brand new listing in South Palm Desert with a mid-century flair, 48245 Beverly Drive. Come on in. The interior of the property is approximately 2,600 square feet. This is a 3-bedroom plus office, 3-bathroom property. Each bedroom has its own private patio to the outside. Interior is remodeled to the max. Huge tile floors throughout, high ceilings, 8-foot slider doors, quartz countertops, waterfall edge, brand new Bertazzoni appliances, pool and spa, plus huge mountain views. Thanks for checking out my brand new listing on Beverly Drive. I'm Charles Scicli with Desert Properties. For more information, contact me direct.